Hi there and welcome to today's video, where I'll guide you through the process of replacing the key fob for your GM Opel/Vauxhall vehicle. Whether your key cover is broken, worn out, or damaged, I'll provide step-by-step instructions to help you replace it. So let's get started. As I mentioned in this video, we'll start by opening the new key, which is relatively easier to open compared to the old one. Begin by removing the battery cover using your hands. With the battery cover removed, take the needle nose pliers or snap ring pliers and insert the front part into the small hole located beneath the key. Apply gradual force to open the pliers and unlock the key. Be careful not to apply excessive force that could break the key. Once the front part is opened, gently open the back part as well. And congratulations! You successfully opened the new key. Now, let's move on to the old key, which is a bit more challenging to open. Start by removing the battery cap, just like we did with the new key. Then remove the batter from the key. After removing the battery, take the needle nose pliers or snap ring pliers and insert them into the small opening beneath the key. Apply careful and gradual force to open the key. Remember to avoid sudden and excessive force that may cause damage. Once the front part is slightly opened, you can fully open the key by adjusting the back part. Use a suitable sharp object specifically designed for opening purposes. After carefully working through the process, we've triumphed over one of the more intricate and demanding steps, successfully opening the old key. Now that we've conquered this challenge, we can confidently move forward to the next step. The next step involves transferring the electronics from the old key to the new one. Take the time to adjust it meticulously, ensuring a snug fit that aligns perfectly with the grooves and buttons. This meticulous adjustment is crucial for optimal functionality and seamless operation of your key. After inserting the electronics, we face another challenge, transferring the key itself. This step can be tricky since the new key's basket might not match the grooves of the old key. To avoid the complexity of changing key heads, you can remove the button from the old key and use it with the new key. However, if your button is damaged like mine, we'll need to replace it. To proceed, you might require a vise or a stable surface to hold the key. Be careful not to exert excessive pressure that could damage the head. Once the key is secured, find a thin object that fits into the small space where the fuse is located. Use a small hammer or another hard object to hit the insert and remove the fuse. Once the fuse is removed, you can detach the key from the head. Repeat the same process for the other key, as we've already covered it in the previous part. With that done, let's move to the next step, placing the key into the head of the new key. Once inserted, secure the key by putting the fuse back in place. You can use a hammer for this task. Ensure the fuse is well inserted and not loose on either side. Now it's time to put the key into the ignition. After inserting it and making sure it sits properly on the splines, turn it once or twice counterclockwise. I'll do this twice to ensure a stronger opening mechanism. After completing that, carefully position the back part of the key with the electronics. Press them together firmly to ensure a secure closure. Before proceeding, double-check that the key opens and closes correctly. With that taken care of, it's time to insert the battery and close the key. Once you've confirmed that, let's move on to the next step, securing the key with a small screw. Many new keys or key masks have a screw for fastening. If yours has one, tighten it securely. Lastly, we have the finishing touch, the sticker with the car logo. In my case, the patch is not self-adhesive, so I'll use a secondary adhesive. Apply some glue, and then position the patch correctly. And there you have it! Your key is now ready for use. I hope this guide has been helpful in replacing your GM Opel/Vauxhall key fob. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.